গুড মর্নিং মাই ডিয়ার ফ্রেন্ডস, আশা করছি তোমরা সবাই খুব ভালো আছো। এই বছর 1 জুলাই 2023 ওয়েস্ট বেঙ্গল জয়েন্ট এন্ট্রান্স এমএসসি নার্সিং এক্সামিনেশন হয়েছে। আশা করছি যারা এক্সাম অ্যাটেন্ড করেছো তারা খুব ভালো দিয়েছো। তো চলো বন্ধুরা, আজ আমরা এই কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার দেখে নিই। যারা এক্সাম দিয়েছো তারা দেখে নাও কতগুলি ঠিক বা ভুল করেছো, এবং যারা এখন এক্সাম দাওনি তারাও দেখে নাও যে কেমন ধরনের কোয়েশ্চেন অ্যান্সার জয়েন্ট এন্ট্রান্স এমএসসি নার্সিংয়ে এসে থাকে। তো আমাদের প্রথম প্রশ্ন হচ্ছে, ফলস হার্মফুল রিকেন রিপোর্ট ইজ কল্ড অপশন এ লায়াবেল, অপশন বি স্ল্যাঙ্গার, অপশন সি টর্ট আর অপশন ডি ফেলোনি। এর রাইট অ্যান্সার হবে অপশন এ লায়াবেল। Question number 2. When weight of a person is recorded as 61 kg, the type of data is expressed as option A attributes, option B dichotomous, option C discrete data or option D continuous data. A right answer হবে option D continuous data. Question number 3. The standard deviation is a measure of option A central tendency, option B range, option C deviation from mean value or option D skewness. A right answer হবে option C deviation from mean value. Question number 4. When a value of R is -1, the correlation is option A negative, option B positive, option C perfectly positive or option D perfectly negative. When the value of R is -1, the correlation is perfectly positive. So option C is the right answer. Question number 5. In a survey, socioeconomic status SES was collected in the following manner: lower, lower middle, upper. What type of variable is SES? Option A ordinal, option B nominal, option C interval or option D ratio. A right answer হবে option A ordinal. Question number 6. Most frequently observed value in a series of observation is known as option A mean, option B median, option C mode or option D average. A right answer হবে option C mode. Question number 7. Bedside performance of a student nurse can be ideally assessed by option A checklist, option B rating scale, option C anecdote or option D peer review. A right answer হবে option A checklist. Question number 8. Every subordinate should receive order from and be accountable to only one superior is called option A scalar chain, option B unity of command, option C centralization or option D unity of direction. A right answer হবে option B unity of command. Question number 9. Most crucial phase of group dynamic is option A forming, option B norming, option C storming or option D adjourning. The most crucial phase of group dynamic is option D adjourning. Question number 10. Anecdotal record means option A factual description of an event, option B factual description of multiple events, option C record analysis of an event or option D described in specific pro forma. A right answer হবে option A factual description of an event. Question number 11. If the test measure what it seeks to measure, it is known as option A validity, option B reliability, option C objectivity or option D practicability. A right answer হবে option A validity. Question number 12. Education is the manifestation of perfection already in man was said by option A Guru Nanak, option B Swami Vivekananda, option C Shankaracharya or option D Rabindranath Tagore. A right answer হবে option B Swami Vivekananda. Question number 13. Field trip is an example of option A discovery method, option B natural learning method, option C inspirational method or option D expository method. The right answer হবে option B natural learning method. Question number 14. One of the first intentionally recognized effort to establish ethical standard in research is referred to as Option A, Helsinki Declaration. Option B, Belmont Report. Option C, Nuremberg Code. Or option D, none of the above. এর রাইট অ্যান্সার হবে অপশন সি, নুরেমবার্গ কোড। Question number 15. The cultural behavior pattern of a specific population is observed and described by a researcher. This type of study is described as option A, phenomenological study. Side effects include drowsiness and awakening. Option B, grounding theory. Option C, ethnographical study. And option D, historical study. এর রাইট অ্যান্সার হবে অপশন সি, ethnographical study. Question number 16. Major factors of the development of curriculum. Option A, educational psychology. Option B, educational philosophy. Option C, social change. Or option D, all of the above. The right answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 17. Baroreceptors are present in aortic arch, root of right subclavian artery, carotid sinus, or all of the above. A right answer হবে all of the above. The second cranial nerve is option A, olfactory, option B, optic, option C, oculomotor, or option D, trigeminal. A right answer হবে option B, optic. The parts of the brain responsible for coordination is option A, pons, option B, medulla, option C, cerebellum, or option D, cerebrum. A right answer হবে option C, cerebellum. Question number 20. The movement of an individual from an social group of another at the same level is defined as option A, horizontal mobility, option B, vertical mobility, option C, intra-generational mobility, or option D, intergenerational mobility. A right answer হবে option A, horizontal mobility. Question number 21. Ritis are also known as option A, folkways, option B, ceremonies, option C, modes, or option D, equiques. A right answer হবে option B, ceremonies. Question number 22. According to Thurstone, how many primary mental abilities are there? Option A, 3, option B, 5, option C, 7, or option D, 9. Here the right answer is option C, 7. Question number 23. Which acts as exocrine and endocrine gland in human? Option A, gallbladder, option B, spleen, option C, liver, or option D, thyroid. Right answer is option C, liver. Question number 24. Bile salts break up large molecules into smaller one by a process called option A, choledegradation, option B, antibacterial action, option C, endogenous synthesis, or option D, emulsification. Here the right answer is option D, emulsification. Question number 25. A fibrous connective tissue that attached muscle to bone is called option A, ligament, option B, tendon, option C, cartilage, or option D, joint. Here the right answer is option B, tendon. Question number 26. Toxic shock syndrome is caused by the toxin of option A, Staphylococcus aureus, option B, E. coli, option C, Vibrio cholerae, or option D, Candida. Here the right answer is option A, Staphylococcus aureus. Question number 27. A fungal infection, malaria, filariasis, athletic foot, or typhus fever. Here the right answer is option C, athletic foot. Question number 28. When food material are preserved at a temperature just above freezing temperature, the process is called option A, freezing, pasteurization, chilling, or frosting. Here the right answer is option C, chilling. Question number 29. The most commonly affected valve in rheumatoid heart disease is mitral valve, aortic valve, pulmonary valve, or tricuspid valve. Here the right answer is option A, mitral valve. Question number 30. Sheehan syndrome is option A, irradiation, damage of pituitary gland, option B, scar pituitary adenoma, option C, postpartum pituitary necrosis, or option D, surgical removal of pituitary gland. Here the right answer is option A, irradiation, damage of pituitary gland. Question number 31. Which of the following is not true in ID? Option A, it is based on the pleasure principle. Option B, it deals with our conscience. Option C, it is present at birth. And option D, it contains aggressive instinct. Here the right answer is option B, it deals with our conscience. Question number 32. In win-win approach, both parties looks for outside support. Option B, both parties look for same solution. And both do not look into each other's feelings. And option D, both yield to pressure. Here the right answer is option B, both parties look for solution. Question number 33. Bacterial structure involved in respiration is option A, ribosome, option B, pili, option C, mesosome, and option D, flagella. Here the right answer is option C, mesosome. Question number 34. Which of the following local anesthetics is called a universal anesthetic? Option A, procaine, option B, ropivacaine, option C, lidocaine, or option D, bupivacaine. Here the right answer is option C, lidocaine. Question number 35. Norepinephrine produce option A, vasoconstriction, option B, vasodilation, option C, bronchodilation, and option D, decreased potassium concentration in the plasma. Here the right answer is option A, vasoconstriction. Question number 36. Chronic long-term therapy of myasthenia gravis is usually accomplished with option A, engrophonium, option B, neostigmine, option C, ecothiophic, and option D, carbachol. Here the right answer is option B, neostigmine. Question number 37. Most commonly used model of care in ICU. Option A, term nursing, option B, functional nursing, option C, total patient care, and option D, primary nursing. Here the right answer is option C, total patient care. Question number 38. Highest incidence of ectopic pregnancy is in option A, ampulla, option B, isthmus, option C, ovary, and option D, fimbriae. Here the right answer is option A, ampulla. Question number 39. Which term represents a pair of contrasting character? Option A, heterozygous, option B, homozygous, option C, codominant gene, and option D, allelomorphs. Here the right answer is option D, allelomorphs. Question number 40. A keratogenic action is option A, toxic action on the liver, negative action on the fetus causing fecal malformation, option C, a toxic action on blood system, and option D, toxic action on kidneys. Here the right answer is option B, negative action on the fetus causing fecal malformation. Next, in part B, question number 41. A client with obsessive compulsive disorder OCD is hospitalized in an inpatient unit. Which nursing response is most therapeutic? Option A, accepting the client's obsessive compulsive behavior, option B, challenging the client's obsessive compulsive behavior, option C, preventing the client's obsessive compulsive behavior, and option D, rejecting the client's obsessive compulsive behavior. Here the right answer is option A, accepting the client's obsessive compulsive behavior. Question number 42. Flaccid paralysis, fever, sore throat are the manifestation of option A, diphtheria, option B, tuberculosis, option C, polio, and option D, tetanus. Here the right answer is option C, polio. Question number 43. H1N1 is otherwise called as option A, influenza, option B, swine flu, option C, bird flu, and option D, wild flu. Here the right answer is option B, swine flu. H1N1 is otherwise called as swine flu. Question number 44. ISA with a diagnosis of depression is started on imipramine, tofranil, 75 mg by mouth at bedtime. The nurse should tell the client that this medication may be habit-forming that will be discontinued as soon as the client feels better. Option B, this medication has no serious adverse effect. Option C, the client should avoid eating such food as egg, cheese, yogurt, and chicken livers while taking the medication. And option D, this medication may initially cause tiredness which should become less bothersome over time. Here the option C is the right answer. The client should avoid eating such food as egg, cheese, yogurt, and chicken liver while taking the medication. Question number 45. The therapeutic approach in the care of an autistic child includes the following except option A, engage in diversionary activities when acting out, Option B, provide an atmosphere of acceptance. Option C, provide safety measure. And option D, rearrange the environment to activate the child. Here the right answer is option D. The rearrange the environment to activate the child is the right answer. Question number 46. Nurse is aware that dementia, unlike delirium, is characterized by option A, slurred speech, option B, insidious onset, option C, clouding the consciousness, and option D, sensory perceptual change. Here the right answer is option B, insidious onset. Question number 47. Which of the following is a zoonosis or zoonotic disease? Option A, chikungunya, option B, malaria, option C, rabies, option D, AIDS. Here the right answer is option C, rabies. 48. Under Janani Surakha Yojana, a female who delivered in government hospital in rural area is paid option A, 1,800, option B, 1,400, option C, 1,200, and option D, 1,000. Here the right answer is option B, 1,400. Question number 49. Component of school health service include option A, health appraisal, option B, immunization, option C, healthy school environment, and option D, all of these. Here the right answer is option D, all of these. Question number 50. A community health center covers the population of option A, 5,000 to 6,000, option B, 15,000 to 18,000, option C, 1 lakh to 1,20,000, and option D, 50,000 to 60,000. Here the option C is the right answer, 1 lakh to 1,20,000. Health Survey and Planning Committee is also known as option A, Board Committee, option B, Mudaliar Committee, option C, Srivastava Committee, and option D, Karkashin Committee. Here the right answer is option B, Mudaliar Committee. Question number 52. Perinatal mortality rate includes option A, death of fetus from 20 weeks to 28 weeks, option B, death of fetus from 28 weeks to first 24 hours of birth, option C, abortion plus stillbirth, option D, stillbirth plus death of newborn within first 7 days of life. Here the right answer is option D, stillbirth plus death of newborn within first 7 days of life. Question number 23. In India, the most common cause of IMR means infant mortality rate is option A, acute respiratory infection, option B, congenital anomalies, option C, low birth weight, and option D, diarrhea. Here the right answer is option C, low birth weight. Question number 54. The base recommended BMI, body mass index, for adult age. Option A, 15 to 19, option B, 19 to 25, option C, 25 to 30, and option D, 31 to 35. Here the right answer is option B, 19 to 25. Question number 55. The name of the nursing diagnosis is linked to the etiology with the phrase option A, manifested by, option B, related to, option C, evidenced by, and option D, due to. Here the right answer is option B, related to. Question number 56. Which of the following is inducted in Orem's theory? Option A, maintenance of sufficient intake of air, option B, self-perception, option C, love and belonging, and option D, physiologic need. Here the right answer is option B, self-perception. Question number 57. When recording blood pressure, the sounds which can be heard with a stethoscope placed over the artery is termed as option A, wheeze, option B, murmur, option C, crackle sound, or option D, Korotkoff sound. Here the right answer is option D, Korotkoff sound. Question number 58. Which of the following is a nurse's role in the health promotion? Option A, health risk appraisal, option B, teach clients to be effective health consumer, option C, worksite wellness, and option D, none of the above. Here the right answer is option B, teach client to be effective health consumer. Question number 59. Question number 59. Which of the following ethical principles refers to the duty not to harm? Option A, beneficence, option C, non-maleficence, option C, fidelity, or option D, veracity. Here the right answer is option B, non-maleficence. Question number 60. Restricting the client's message in the nurse's own words is called paraphrasing, clarifying, focusing or summarizing. Here the right answer is option A, paraphrasing. Question number 61. King-Greenberg position is used to prevent option A, shock, option B, aspiration, option C, dyspnea and option D, backache. Here the right answer is option A, shock. Question number 62. In triage, yellow color indicate option A, life-threatening injury, option B, non-life-threatening injury, option C, minimal injury and option D, death. Here the right answer is option B, non-life-threatening injuries. Question number 63. Paradoxical movement of chest wall may be found in option A, pneumothorax, option B, flail chest, option C, cardiac tamponade or option D, pleural effusion. Here the right answer is option B, flail chest. Question number 64. In chest drainage, chest tube is placed in second intercostal space in case of option A, hemothorax, option B, hydrothorax, option C, pneumothorax or option D, empyema. Here the right answer is option C, pneumothorax. Question number 65. The hallmarks clinical manifestation of intestinal obstruction are option A, malaise, anemia, anorexia, option B, abdominal pain, vomiting, distension and constipation, option C, food intoleration, option D, bloody diarrhea. Here the right answer is option B, abdominal pain, vomiting, distension and constipation. Question number 66. The contraindicated drug for glaucoma is option A, bicaxolol, option B, pilocarpine, option C, acetazolamide and option D, atropine sulfate. Here the right answer is option D, atropine sulfate. Question number 67. Which branch of coronary artery supplies the atrioventricular node and Purkinje fiber? Option A, left main coronary artery, option B, left anterior descending artery, option C, right coronary artery and option D, circumflex artery. তো এই কোশ্চেনটার অ্যান্সার হবে অপশন সি, রাইট করোনারি আর্টারি। Question number 68. Abbreviation for micrograph is option A, micro GKK, option B, GKK, option C, MDR or option C, AMGTS. Here the right answer is option A, micro GKK. Question number 69. Which of the following condition has an increased risk for developing hyperkalemia? Option A, Crohn's disease, option B, Cushing disease, option C, chronic heart failure and option D, end-stage renal disease. Here the right answer is option D, end-stage renal disease. Question number 70. Arterial blood gas analysis result of pH 7.5, PaCO2 30 mm of Hg, HCO3 ion 24 milliequivalent per liter is diagnosed as respiratory acidosis, metabolic acidosis, respiratory alkalosis and option D, metabolic alkalosis. Here the right answer is option C, respiratory alkalosis. Question number 71. Excessive secretion of antidiuretic hormone is responsible for which of the following disorder? Option A, gametes insipidus, option B, syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone, option C, Cushing syndrome and option D, Addison disease. Here the right answer is option B, syndrome of inappropriate antidiuretic hormone. Question number 72. Flaky pink appearance of skin is seen in option A, dermatitis, option B, pellagra, option C, marasmus and option D, kwashiorkor. Here the right answer is option D, kwashiorkor. Which is not a component of upcut score? Color of the baby, muscle tone, heart rate or minute and respiratory rate or minute. Here the right answer is respiratory rate or minute. Question number 74. Book-shaped heart is seen in which of the condition? Option A, ASD, option B, PDA, option C, tetralogy of Fallot or TOF and option D, TAPVC. Here the right answer is option C, TOF, tetralogy of Fallot. Question number 75. All are sign of hydrocephalus in a neonate except enlarged head, sunset sign, delayed milestone and option D, depressed fontanel. Here the right answer is option D, depressed fontanel. ডিপ্রেসড ফাঙ্গানেল আমরা হাইড্রোকেফালাসে দেখতে পাবো না। Question number 76. The most appropriate intravenous fluid for second and third degree burn patient during the first 24 hours is option A renal lactic solution, option B normal saline, option C albumin, and option D 5% dextrose. Here the right answer is option A renal lactic solution. Question number 77. A P wave of an ECG represents an impulse. Option A originating at the AC node and repolarizing the atria. Option B originating at the AC node and repolarizing the atria. Option C originating at the AV node and repolarizing the atria. And option D originating at the AV node and spreading to the mantle of his. Here the right answer is option A originating at the AC node and repolarizing the atria. Question number 78. The most important dietary risk factor for prostatic cancer is option A high fat diet, option B vitamin D containing diet, option C purine containing diet, and option D drinking tea and coffee. Here the right answer is option A high fat diet. Question number 79. Which of the following statement is true regarding golden minute of birth? Option A to birth PPV within 1 minute after birth. Option B to complete CPR within 1 minute. Option C observe 1 minute after birth for spontaneous ventilation. And option D all of the above. Here the right answer is option C observe 1 minute after birth for spontaneous ventilation. Question number 80. In Pachydermatous arteriosus, PDA, connection is between aorta and coronary artery, aorta and pulmonary artery, aorta and subclavian artery, and pulmonary artery and subclavian artery. Here the right answer is option B, aorta and pulmonary artery. Question number 81. Which of the following is a minor criteria for diagnosis of rheumatic fever according to modified Jones criteria? ASO titer, carditis, fever, or subcutaneous nodule? Here the right answer is option C, fever. Question number 82. The bleeding pattern in placenta previa is option A painful bright red bleeding, option B painless bright red bleeding, option C painful dark red bleeding, and option D painless dark red bleeding. Here the right answer is option B painless bright red bleeding. Question number 83. A 8-month-old child had a cough that lasted 3 days, has a breathing rate of 46 per minute, and on examination no chest ingrowing. How a nurse will classify the disease? Option A no pneumonia, option B pneumonia, option C severe pneumonia, and option D very severe disease. Here the right answer is option B pneumonia. Question number 84. Large for gestational age is when the birth weight is greater than the option A 95 percentile, option B 85 percentile, option C 90 percentile, or option D 80 percentile. Here the right answer is option C 90 percentile. Question number 85. The following are the characteristics of autism except option A onset after 6 years of age, option B repetitive behavior, option C delayed language development, and option D severe deficit in social interaction. Here the right answer is option A onset after 6 years of age. Question number 86. Suppression of lactation may occur following the use of all except option A oxytocin, option B bromocriptine, option C estrogen, and option D ergot derivatives. Here the right answer is option A oxytocin. Question number 87. Diagnosis of unruptured tubal ectopic pregnancy can be made by option A serum beta HCG level when titer is falling, option B transvaginal sonography showing empty uterine cavity, option C combination of serum beta HCG and transvaginal sonography, and option D careful history taking and examination in majority. Here the right answer is option C combination of serum beta HCG and transvaginal sonography. Question number 88. Decrease in fetal heart rate during labor are called option A acceleration, option B deceleration, option C baseline rate, and option D variability. Here the right answer is option B deceleration. Question number 89. Oligohydramnios may indicate which anomaly in the newborn. Option A, abnormalities of the gastrointestinal tract. Option B, cardiac abnormalities. Option C, neurological abnormalities. And option D, urinary tract abnormalities. Here the right answer is option D, urinary tract abnormalities. Question number 90. After examination, the cervix of a woman is 5 cm dilated and 50% effaced. The nurse knows that she is in the second stage. Option B, first stage latent phase. Option C, first stage transitional phase. And option D, first stage active phase. Here the right answer is option D, first stage but in active phase. Question number 91. Oxygenated blood enters the fecal circulation from umbilical vein via option A, Gactus venosus, option B, Gactus arteriosus, option C, intrahepatic vein, and option D, intrahepatic artery. Here the right answer is option A, Gactus venosus. Question number 92. Hydatidine for mole is principally is a disease of option A, amnion, option B, chorion, option C, uterus, and option D, gastrigoa. Here the right answer is option B, chorion. Question number 93. Tertiary villi are complicated by option A, 17th K, 19th K, 21st K, and 23rd K. Here the right answer is option C, 21st K. Question number 94. Which of the following is the most prominent characteristics of borderline personality disorder? Option A, suspiciousness. Option B, magical thinking. Option C, instability in personal relationship. And option D, unlawful behavior. Here the right answer is option C, instability in personal relationship. Question number 95. Pathological replication by imitation of the behavior of another person is termed as option A, echolalia, option B, echopraxia, option C, encopresis, and option D, enuresis. Here the right answer is option B, echopraxia. Question number 96. According to Erikson, a young child must accomplish the task associated with the stage known as option A, initiative versus guilt, option B, intimacy versus isolation, option C, anxiety versus inferiority, and option D, generativity versus stagnation. Here the right answer is option B, intimacy versus isolation. Question number 97. A male client is admitted to the substance abuse unit for alcohol detoxification. Which of the following medication is nurses most likely to administer to reduce the symptom of alcohol withdrawal? Option A, naloxone, Narcan. Option B, haloperidol, Haldol. Option C, magnesium sulfate. And option D, chlordiazepoxide, Librium. Here the right answer is option A, naloxone. Question number 98. An infant's intestines are sterile at birth. Therefore, the infant lacks the bacteria necessary for synthesis of option A, bilirubin, option B, bile salt, option C, vitamin K, and option D, intrinsic factor. Here the right answer is option C, vitamin K. Question number 99. Which neurotransmitter has been implicated in the development of Alzheimer's disease? Option A, acetylcholine, option B, dopamine, option C, epinephrine, and option D, serotonin. Here the right answer is option A, acetylcholine. Question number 100. According to Eugene Bloor, the fundamental symptoms of schizophrenia are option A, ambivalence, autism, affect disturbance, association disturbance, option B, hallucination, delusion, inappropriate affect, anhedonia, option C, delusion or persecution, hallucination, thought block, and option D, ambivalence, autism, delusion, and hallucination. Here the right answer is option A, ambivalence, autism, affect disturbance, and association disturbance. তো বন্ধুরা, এই ছিল আমাদের আজকের ভিডিও। আমরা পরবর্তী ভিডিওতে প্রিভিয়াস ইয়ারের কোশ্চেন পেপারগুলো এক এক করে দেখে নেব। ভিডিও ভালো লাগলে লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার করো এবং অবশ্যই সাবস্ক্রাইব করতে ভুলো না। অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ওয়াচিং দিস ভিডিও।